Established in 2014, Skycet Group Limited specializes in LCD and parts sales. With professional knowledge and rich experience, we provide high-quality parts for global repairers and wholesalers. We value credit, abide by contracts, guarantee product quality, and have won the trust of our customers with our multi-species business characteristics and the principle of thin profit and multiple sales. Currently, our main products include spare parts of phone, watch, tablet, notebook.such as LCD, battery, main and front camera, dock, flex, data cable. After more than a decade of industry changes, we not only sell LCD screens produced by our own factory, but also become the agent of GX, RJ, JK, ZY. We've improved our product quality control, built a professional team of over 100 people with strong execution, and we are determined to become the preferred one-stop sales and service partner for our customers' electronic products. As we all know, in today's phone parts market, product quality and prices are exceptionally confusing. Many suppliers sell inferior products to cheat consumers and gain benefits. We always adhere to the tenet of wholeheartedly serving our customers. We provide our customers with the best quality products and good return and exchange services to save their cost and time. Therefore, our warranty policy is 1-year warranty. If there is a quality problem, directly replace the new one or refund. No need to return the faulty items. With us you can get wholesale price for one pieces, the best quality products, the services of a professional team, and one-stop shopping. Honesty, trustworthiness, and win-win cooperation are our values and are in our blood. If one day we violate this value, we will close the company ourselves.